Hello guys, good morning. I'm happy you are here. Today I'm gonna make an ocean triptych. I'm so looking forward to that. It's been a while. I'm gonna use some different colors of blue this time and let's go! Okay, it's time to make an ocean triptych. It's been a while and really looking forward to it. I'm always starting with the white on the top for these works. Okay, let's blow that out. Okay, let's fix the sides real quick. Okay, let's sort out the air bubbles. Alright, and let's start placing colors on here. So I'm starting on the top with the light blue. Let's go with Winsor Blue. Okay, I have this Prussian Blue. Then a bit of the Phthalo Green. Okay, and let's fill it up a bit more with the Winsor Blue. Alright, then some gold. That, and then I'm gonna pour here some more white. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so what I will do now is blow the white over this. Like that, and then I'm gonna blow that out. I don't know that green, if I like it. Alright, let's blow this one out. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's gorgeous. All right. All right, let's torch this. Okay, I really like this. It's beautiful as well with that Prussian blue in there. Okay, so with this one I feel like, and this one as well. Where's the gold? Maybe it will shine through when it's dry, because I have that a lot of the times. Just tweaking it a bit. Yeah, with this one I think the green is too much. Yeah, it's a little bit too much. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave this. I'm not gonna do a lot of things about this. I will paint the sides myself when it's dry. And yeah, time for a close-up for you. Alright, so for you it looks so super blue, but I see a lot of turquoise in this. But again, my camera is not picking that up. Yeah, I love the gold here. But these are works you really need to see when they're dry, because this Winsor Blue looks very vibrant right now, but that will dry dark, and then the lighter colors would give it a lot more contrast. So if you're interested in seeing my works dry, then check out my Facebook page and my Instagram, because I post them there. Well, this was a quick ocean triptych. I hope you like it. This one is gorgeous. This one has a lot of lacing. See? Here, there's so much lacing. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.